I would like you to come with me.
I can come on Tuesday.
Do you like your boss?
She is very generous and understanding.
Do you want to own a pet?
I have wanted a cat since I was a little girl.
Do you see him often?
We eat lunch together twice a month.
Do you enjoy going to the cinema?
Yes, watching a movie relaxes me.
Keep in touch.
Yes, I will. Thanks.
Whose bag is this?
That is my Aunt Mary's bag.
Do you get headaches easily?
Looking at my computer screen all day causes headaches.
There is a fork missing.
I forgot the fork. I will get another.
I have won a few awards.
Don't be so modest.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Do you have a pen?
I do. Would you like blue or black?
Why did you go there?
I went there on business.
What's the purpose of your stay?
To visit my friend.
Where is the cat?
She is in the bedroom.
What do you usually drink?
I usually drink tea.
Do you get sick often?
When I do not sleep well, my body gets sick.
Come again tomorrow.
I'm sure I will.
Don't make the same mistake again.
I will try my best to pay close attention.
What did the doctor say?
The doctor said it would be good to take some medicine.